Module 7, Cloud Computing Lesson 2, Cloud Computing Architecture. What is cloud architecture? Cloud architecture is the name given to a structure in which computer systems and services run in a distributed manner, accessible over the Internet. Cloud architecture offers advantages such as flexibility, scalability, and accessibility. Companies and individuals can choose and use the services that suit their needs, manage resources more effectively, and reduce costs. In the simplest way, we can classify cloud architecture into two ends, the front end and the back end. The front end is the part where end users interact. The back end is the area that the cloud provider has to deal with. Both of these ends are connected with the help of the Internet. Cloud architecture diagram. 1. Front end. Front-end infrastructure includes everything that the end user interacts with. Front-end cloud infrastructure includes components such as local networks, web browsers, and web applications. 2. Back-end. The back-end architecture in the cloud reinforces the front-end architecture. It consists of hardware and storage located on a remote server. The cloud service provider controls and manages this back-end cloud architecture. The ideal back-end cloud architecture should always be robust, as it keeps the entire infrastructure in the cloud. The main components of the back-end cloud architecture include the following: applications, services, storage, management, security. Components of cloud computing architecture: client infrastructure, GUI for user interaction with the cloud. Application, software platform delivering results based on user needs. Service, SaaS, software accessible via web browser without installations. PaaS, platform for software development. IaaS, controls runtime, middleware, and data environments. Runtime, cloud, environment for virtual machine execution. Storage, extensive cloud storage for data management. Infrastructure, network, application, and host-level services supported by software and hardware. Management, oversees back-end components and coordinates operations. Security, ensures secure access and data protection, utilizing virtual firewalls. Internet, connects front-end and back-end, facilitating communication. Layers of cloud architecture. Cloud architecture can be analyzed in 4 layers. Layer 1, user-client layer. It is the top layer of the cloud architecture. This layer includes end users and clients. At layer 1, the user and the client begin to connect themselves to the cloud. Accessing cloud applications is similar to accessing web applications. Layer 2, network layer. Layer 2, or the network layer, is responsible for connecting users to the cloud. Each type of connection requires a minimum bandwidth specified by the cloud providers. Layer 3, cloud management layer. The layer is responsible for managing cloud services. It includes the software that manages the operation of the cloud. The software used in this layer can be cloud operating system, software to manage resources, and software to optimization for workload consolidation, integrating multiple computing processes and storage consolidation. Layer 4, hardware resource layer. It defines the provision of hardware resources. The 4th layer of a public cloud is the massive data center, whereas layer 4 of a private cloud is built with a very large collection of hardware resources. These resources are interconnected and may be located in a specific location or may be a highly configured system. Advantages of cloud computing architecture. The advantages of cloud computing architecture are as follows. It reduces IT costs and provides easy access to data and digital tools. Businesses benefit from adaptability, which gives them a competitive advantage. Their services are automatically updated. It addresses latency issues and improves data processing needs. Makes it easier for businesses to accelerate and reduce cloud resources. Provides better disaster recovery and increased security. Supports remote employment and group collaboration.